Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing another speed colouring today using this image, and I'm going to do a flip through of Rory's World colouring book by Valentin. Let's have a look. So we're going to start with the flip through today. This is a Lacy Sunshine book, Rory's World colouring book. It's a beautiful book by Valentin. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hang around till the end of the flip through too, because I've done a bit of a speed colouring of Mystical Rory from this book, and I really enjoyed doing that one with Copic markers. So hang around till the end of the flip through to see that as well. So guys, this one's available on the Lacy Sunshine website as a PDF file, and also it's available from Amazon as well, so I'll pop all the links for the book in the description below. I absolutely loved colouring up the little Rory or Mystical Rory in this one. I loved how the close-up face shots are really cute, and I think that they give you a lot of practice with skin and hair and things like that, so that's why I tend to like this one a little bit extra than what I would normally. So there's some cute little cartoonish type images, and there's also some nice elegant type images as well, so they're not all just fantasy looking. Some of them are just nice pretty little girls as well. So I hope you enjoy this flip through guys, and stay tuned for the speed colouring at the end. If you'd like to see a full video of the speed colouring, then it is available on Patreon, so if you want to pop over there you can check that out. Also available on Patreon, I do have the colour chart from Copic markers to Prismacolors, Polychromos, Pablos, and also Black Widows as well, so if you want to check that out as well, it's all in the description. So thanks so much for watching guys, and I will pop in at the end and say goodbye. I'm just finishing off the background and I'm going to use some white gel pen to do those sparkly little stars. So if you liked the video today, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you do subscribe so you get notifications when I upload new videos. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Vero. Thanks guys. See you in the next video.